If you know me, you know that I like Volkswagen, especially if it's a GLI. So let's start it off right with, we got this brand new Volkswagen GLI straight from the dealership from Maryland. The customer drove it up here. We're doing an 8-year ceramic coating on it. Came in brand new, still has a little bit of defects in the paint, so we're gonna polish all those out, make this blue stand tall before we seal it with ceramic, pop those wheels off, do that same thing with the wheels, make those black shiny wheels with the red calipers stick out. Beside the GLI, you can't miss this thing, talk of the week. Got this Cybertruck in for a full paint protection film, color change wrap. Come around the side, you can see the colors start flopping. Everything is protected on this, so it adds color change, but it's also protecting as well. Then in the PPF bay, we got a Genesis in here. We did work to this customer's car before. His wife had some damage in the parking lot, so we're gonna pull off this old film, put the new film on there so the customer's ready to go in case there's ever a problem again. We got some great colors this week. Behind the Genesis is this beautiful Audi SQ8. They did a full paint protection film wrap on it. All the painted and plastic pieces are covered for protection. And then we did a ceramic coating on top of that. Wheels, brake calipers, glass, plastic, everything's covered, everything's protected. The customer's actually on their way to pick this thing up. I can't wait to see their face when they see how great this thing looks. It's Volkswagen Audi week here. In the ceramic bay, we got Mike doing his thing on this Audi S3. Black paint had some defects in it. After Mike put the polisher to it, thing looks better than brand new. He just got the polish done on it. He's getting ready to start the ceramic. He'll start with the wheels and then do the paint and finish up for the day. Then in the prep bay, we got Zach cleaning off this Ram with our new prep guy, Damari. Over in the tint bay, we got this brand new Dodge Charger, getting some ceramic tint laid down on it. So not only is it gonna add privacy, it's also gonna cut all that heat and keep the interior safe from the sun. That's all we have it here for cold, bitter LATROBE. Let's send it down to my buddy Luke in Gibsonia and see how he's doing.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Over here we got Max and Steven working on this Porsche Panamera. This is in for a full body 10 mil paint protection film wrap. After the PPF is done, Mark is going to get his hands on it for a ceramic coating. As you can also see here, earlier in the week, we tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20%. Also in the works for a full wrap is this Tesla Cybertruck. This is getting the xpel satin black PPF on the entire vehicle. We are also tinting the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. And once the PPF is done, Mark will get his hands on this vehicle too for an 8-year ceramic coating. In the prep bay, we got Patrick and Jason prepping this BMW X5. This is in for a 10 mil track package. Full front and lower rocker pieces. It's also getting full XR Plus 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. And once that is all complete, this too is in for an 8-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have a F350 work truck. This is getting the side windows and the back window done in our Prime CS 5%. Next up is a Volkswagen Atlas. This was in for window tint and paint protection film. We did the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. 5% visor, and then some miscellaneous paint protection film. This got a full front, 8 pillars, partial roof, and a wear and tear kit. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on a very unique vehicle. This is a 95 GTR. This is in for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Over here we got 2 full wraps, 1 complete, 1 in progress. The 911 is done. This got a full 8 mil paint protection film wrap and a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. And waiting in the balance here is the C8. This is also in for a full wrap. The wheels are currently coated. The PPF should be going down later on this week. And once PPF is done, we are going to be doing an 8-year coating on the entire vehicle.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Outside we have this G-Wagon that's in for an annual inspection. We did a track pack and a full roof in this about a year ago with a ceramic coating. Now it's back just to make sure that everything looks good. In the PPF bay, we have this Ford F450 that's getting a track pack in our Ultimate 8 and a gloss black roof in our gloss black PPF. It previously received window tint all around in our XR Plus, including a front windshield. As part of the track pack, we will be doing the full dually humps for maximum protection against those rock chips. On the lift, we have this C8 Stingray that's in for a front bumper paint protection film. We previously wrapped the full front of this car a couple years ago. Got into a little bit of a fender bender, and we are replacing the front bumper. In the tint bay, we have Alfredo working on this Audi A3. tint for XR Plus all around, 30% and 70% on the windshield.
Starting off our morning, we have a brand new 2026 Porsche Targa coming in for a wheels off ceramic coating package. So right now the boys are getting it washed off, prepped and ready to go, and they'll be finishing it off today with our 4-year ceramic coating. We also have my buddy Dallas's car in today. Shout out to my Stance people, you're gonna love this one. We have a 1999 Lexus GS 400 in. It definitely had 20 or 30-year-old tint on it, so it was a bit difficult to remove, but we got it all off and got it re-tinted in our premium XR Plus film, 15 on the fronts with 5 around in the back, and the front windshield as well. Now that Ian's done with the Porsche, he's moving on to shrinking this full front windshield on this brand new Model X. The client just took delivery of this car a few days ago. Front's done, but decided he needed to get that front windshield done as well. And that's going on in our premium XR Plus again in 55%. This windshield is an absolute monster to shrink, and Ian is taking care of business. And lastly, we have a 2023 GR Corolla Limited. This vehicle is very well cared for. It only has about 8,000 miles on it. It's pretty much a weekend driven only car and did have previous tint on it, which you can see Troy is stripping it currently, and we're going to get it retinted with our premium XR Plus film, 15 on the fronts, 5 all around in the back, and complete with a 55% front windshield. That's all we have for today. We'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.